one complication that we have to deal with is the question, what counts as a harm? Most of us have a rough sense of what this term means, right? But there's some things that are in some sense harmful, right, that don't count as harm for the application of Mill's principles. Now let's start with some obvious things on either extreme. Right? On one hand, killing someone, maiming them, injuring them, right, for the most part stealing their property, those are harms. Okay. At the other extreme, slightly annoying someone, well, that's obviously not a harm. Right? And Mill is very careful to say that distress caused by the mere fact that you know someone is doing something you consider immoral, right, does not count as harm for the purposes of applying the principle. Right? There are some more difficult cases, though. Right? Certain forms of fear or distress might count as harm, right? But perhaps not all forms of fear or distress. Right? When I think of this, I think of an example from the television show The Simpsons. Right? Let's take a brief look at a scene involving the character Milhouse. Right? This is from an episode in which Milhouse's parents have been washed out to sea. Right? Let's look what happens when he has an interaction with the class bully after this happens.